So you guys asked for a Moongh Dal recipe, so here it is. As promised, if you're new, hit subscribe and click notify to stay up to date with new recipes every week. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. So let's go. So the ingredients that you will need are 1 cup of Moongh Dal, 1 small tomato chopped, 1 teaspoon of fresh green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 heaped teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 medium onion chopped, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of whole cumin. First things first, I've washed my Moongh Dal and we're going to put that on boil. While that's happening, in our pan we're going to add in the oil, the ghee, the whole cumin and the onions. And we're just going to saute the onions. We're just going to saute them on medium heat, so just keep an eye on that and just give it a stir as well. So the onions are now ready and we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to add in the ginger and garlic paste, the green chili paste, tomatoes, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and salt. And we're just going to cook all the spices for about a minute. Okay, so now we're ready to add in the dal. There you go, and just gently mix that in with the spices and the tomato mixture. Okay, so we're nearly done. I'm just going to add about a 2 tablespoons of water, and then we're just going to cover this and just let it cook for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then we're done. Okay, so that looks good, that smells delicious, so let's get ready to serve. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comments below, or you can even tag me in a picture. If you've made this before, I would love to hear what you did different. If you enjoy this, please do give me a thumbs up, and to see more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.